How to connect LED strips on COSPLAY without soldering iron. Let's find out. Take a safety pin and poke a hole into each of the copper connectors. Take the red wire from the battery holder and connect it to the LED strip side marked with the plus sign and the black wire to the side marked with the minus sign. Insert the wires and give them a good twist. Add some hot glue on top. This helps to create stronger connection and stops the wires from touching each other, which creates a short circuit. You can also buy these LED strip connectors, which are available on Amazon. These connect directly to the LED strip. Links are available in the description.